Welcome, dear students. As you know that I'm continuing for uh, the last 2-3 videos about the grow-out test, the procedure of grow-out test, the steps. Now we have already seen the sampling for grow-out test, how the samples are taken, the submitted sample, the working sample. Now come to standard sample. What do you mean by standard sample? What do you mean by standard sample? Standard sample is that for whatever variety you are going for grow-out test, you have to get some quantity of seed which is required as per the grow-out test for submitted as well as for working sample. At least that much seed you have to acquire of that particular variety from the originating plant breeder. Because he is the breeder, he is maintaining the highest quality of the seed. So you have to, for grow-out test as a standard sample, you have to get it from the originating breeder. That is standard sample. That is, I have written here itself. The standard samples of a cultivar is the control sample. This is the control on which you have to check the samples in the question. Cultivar control is the official standard against which all other samples of seed of the cultivar are judged. The standard sample must be obtained from originating plant breeder and be stored under controlled temperature and humidity condition so as to use it each year for sowing the control plot for cultivar under test. So if again you are requiring for next year, then you have to obtain it from the originating breeder again. Further quantity of sample must be obtained from the originating plant breeder as and when it is required. So this is the standard sample. Now come to, this is the step by step I'm coming for grow-out test. Now you come to the third step, location of the GOT. Where should be the location of grow-out test for that particular variety? So it must be that areas for which that variety has been released. So you have to use only that area for grow-out test. Otherwise, many more characters will be changed, differing in different environments. So it should be conducted in specified areas recommended for that variety. Now come to the fourth point, method of raising crop. How you are going to raise it? The simple thing, all agronomic practices for particularly that crop has been recommended in that area, for that area. You have to use that only. Whatever you talk about the field preparation, you talk about the seed rate, you talk about the spacing, plant to plant, row to row, you talk about the row length, you talk about the fertilizer dose, you talk about the irrigation, even you talk about the sowing time. You should not delay the sowing time. At proper sowing time you should use for that particular area. Otherwise many more characters will be changed. You cannot, you will be confused with that. So this is about the method of raising. Of course, you are growing the crop, the seed sample along with the standard the control sample. Both have to be shown at the same time to compare it. Compare your sample which you have taken with the standard sample, which is the control, which you have taken from the breeder. So the field plot should be grown in 2 replications, of course. Whatever working sample you have to take, you have taken for the standard sample as well as for the samples which is being tested. So you have to make 2 parts and you have to replicate both the samples in 2 plots to minimize the environmental errors, differences, the soil fertility and other things, and also to guard if at some place, at some location, one replication is destroyed because of the attack of the animals or anything. So at least you will be having 1 sample. You will not miss 1 season. So you can have the data on that. So this is the one step I have already dealt: the sampling, then the standard sample, then the location of the GOT, then the method of raising. So I will be coming in next video the rest of the topics of the grow out test. Thanking you very much.